everybody. Today we're gonna be unboxing presents because
Santa sent us to help us find what's the best Christmas toy you can ever get. So now we're gonna unbox them and see if you guys want it and put it on your wish list.
So we're gonna do an unboxing of gift ideas.
Yeah, so if you guys are looking for any presents and you cannot find the greatest one you want, this is gonna help you guys because it's gonna help you find some popular toys. So yeah.
Do you guys know what these toys are?
No.
So it's a surprise for you too.
Yeah, and these are Christmas.
These are mine. When I lost this one, I got this one, and I found this one.
All right, so let's do some unboxing.
So we're unboxing, and a reminder, we don't know what's inside the box.
All right, so I'll do a countdown, and you guys unveil the gifts. 1, 2, 3, go.
Cuba. Cuba.
Yes.
Cuba.
Whoa.
What is that?
This is a we had one of these, but there's a toaster. They're like what's it? Cookeez Makery. So they're basically you have to do experiments, and they come out as like a plushie.
I see. Jakey,
So for this
what do you
You
have?
have to do experiments, and then it gets you mega microphone.
Let's see.
So we're gonna open these together.
Yeah.
So first up, which one should we do?
This one.
Okay, so first up we're gonna do the MrBeast Lab. Let's just put these
Scissors.
gifts. These are one of the popularest toys
These
on the market.
Really?
Yes.
Just in case you've seen the MrBeast micro figure video, we got a mega version of that.
So I think first up we take out this fluid, which is a mutation fluid. Hold on. So then we're gonna open it. Wait, can I open it for you? No, that's not how you open it. We're gonna take. Okay.
So hot.
It's hard to take off. No, don't do that.
Oh, the fluid we put in here.
Yeah. So then we're gonna
Let me
open
put
it.
it.
Hold on, I'm opening it for you. Oh.
It's like a science
Something came out.
experiment.
Oh, what is this stuff?
Oh.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can open it. I'm not opening it. Grr. I'll hold this for you.
Smells like actual goo.
No,
Well,
it smells like bubbles.
Once you guys open it, you can't put it on the floor. Are you sure you want to open it now?
Yeah, because then that's how we do it.
Okay, but this is not even open yet.
Oh yeah, hold on. There is a cover. So Kuba, I need you to pull this. Oh. Okay, time to take this off. Jacob had a little spill.
That's okay.
Oh my god. Paper towel to the rescue. My dad's the paper towel rescuer. Okay, so while we wait, we're gonna pour this mutation liquid. Okay, be careful. Oh! Okay. Woo!
Look at the instructions.
Yeah. It's hard to open.
There's definitely a toy inside of there.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
we
it's so
open it
cool.
from here.
It's leaking.
We need paper towel. Paper towel. Okay, so now we're gonna go spill this out because, oh wait, here. Yeah.
Oh, good job, Ola.
We're just gonna remove the cap and let's go to the sink and spill it out.
All right, let's go spill it.
Wow, wait, there's a cute. We're gonna save that. Okay. Ow, I spilled my toe. Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we ready, guys?
We're ready.
Oh, something just
Make sure it doesn't fall out. Yep. All the liquid is out.
I think.
All right, let's go back to the table.
So we are ready
We're
to.
ready to open it.
Yeah, we're ready to take the beast out. Oh my god.
It's like an action figure. Scissors.
We got the iconic pamper.
What is that?
It's the iconic panther.
Wow.
Need scissors. Guys, you should get this for Christmas because it's really popular.
It's really popular.
Could be from your favorite YouTuber, MrBeast.
So if you like MrBeast and you want a popular toy, this is such a good toy for you guys. Your elves.
Jackie, can I see the toy that you got out of the lab? What is that?
Iconic beast.
Whoa.
Okay, so we're gonna now move on to the Cookeez Makery.
Cookies
Toys.
Rosie.
Oh, I remember. I used to watch that channel.
Me too.
Okay, so we're gonna. Kuba, can you move this to the side, please?
Okay.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna be doing Cookeez Makery. We have one of these, but they're little like microwaves. No, toasters. Yeah. So I cannot wait to open them because they smell so good and they are adorable.
Yeah, and I got the rarest ones.
Time to open. I can't open this. Scissors. Okay. So I'm gonna be using the scissors. Don't if you're using scissors, ask your parents always. So don't do it yourself. And I think sometimes we need parents' help with these if you're like under the age of. What do you think?
I don't know, 10?
Okay, yeah, 10. Because these are hard to do. Because my friend's little sister had one of these, and they were hard to do. Okay, guys, it's gonna take a little bit because.
Maybe use teamwork.
Yeah, Jacob, help.
Okay.
Oh wait, that was my got it. We got it out of the box. In the back, we have some oven stuff.
And mental issue.
Mental issues.
Can we see it?
Okay. So here we are, our little oven. So I'm gonna just put it aside to take out the cardboard.
Could you show it to the camera?
Yeah, I tried. Okay. Got all the cardboard out. Now we're gonna be taking it out of the stuff. Okay, what is this? Freezing cakes, a recipe for love.
Recipe for love?
I think it meant like the teddy bear. Okay, I'm gonna put the stuff out here and make sure nothing spills out.
What's in there?
I don't know, that's the thing. Wait, I think there's a teddy bear in here.
Yeah.
And this is the thing. Oh, this is we mix this and then put it in here and it bakes into a teddy bear.
Like I was saying, she wants to get the cat.
I don't know which one I'm gonna get. So we got this blue little mold. Okay, actually, first we're gonna use instructions.
Perfect.
And sit up. So we're gonna move. Okay, so now we're gonna do. First, we're gonna fill an empty cake mix socket into a bowl. Okay, so I think they're talking about this. This is a.
Can you show it to the camera?
Hold up, because I'm trying. This thing. Makery.
Okay.
So we're gonna pour. Oh, come on, can you pick up a spoon and put it on the table? We're gonna pour this into the bowl. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Whoa, this is all. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make a bigger hole. So bear with me. Oh, this is so mushy. Oh yeah. Okay. Hold up, because this hole is not big enough. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna get some more progress done if we make it bigger. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, we have done it. It's really mushy.
So what's next?
So step 3. We're on step 3 because the first step we had to take out some things in there. Next step is we have to fill a measuring cup jug with clean drinking water to the brim and carefully add to the bowl. So where's to the brim?
Well, hold on one second. Do we know how much water do we need?
1 liter.
1
1
meter.
ounce. Okay, now we're gonna fill this up to
1 liter.
1 liter to the 500 mark. So we're gonna do this real quick. That was a lot of water.
Hey, maybe put it on the table and pour it on the table. Okay, so that's one. We need 2 of those, right?
Okay, so I spill it.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we have switched to a bigger bowl, and now we're gonna pour some water in.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Whoa, it looks like I'm making an action.
this is so much water. Are we sure we have to put this much?
Yeah, another one.
Another one?
Yeah, this is 1 liter.
It's a lot of water, guys.
Sure.
We're about run out.
This is our second bottle of water, so.
All right.
Please don't mess up. I hope we didn't mess up.
So what do we do next?
Next we mix for 2 minutes. So we made a little accident because we were supposed to do it slowly.
Yeah.
But we have an idea. We're gonna use some clay instead of the mold.
So we should talk about the fact that the instructions weren't exactly clear, right? Can we
So-
see the instructions where it says to add 1 liter of water?
So it says here to put 1 liter of water, but we're supposed to put it slowly. So they should explain it more better. Put 1 liter of water
So
slowly.
instructions say to fill measuring jug with clean drinking water, and the image literally says 1 liter water. So we added too much water.
Yeah. So basically,
That's the mold.
this is
okay.
the mold. It kind of looks crazy because it's clay, so don't mind it. Next, we're gonna put the mold in the oven. I think we're gonna I don't want to get the mold in the oven dirty, so I'm gonna put a paper towel on. Let's go. Just gonna put this in, and so now we're gonna be rotating the dial to -10 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, this is really good. Oh, there you go. This is really good because in my class we are learning new stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna close the door. We have to wait 20 seconds. Where's the music coming from? Okay. When we hear the bell, we're gonna open the door and see how our cake looks like. Are we excited? Let's open it. Whoa!
What?
How did that
So
work?
How
cold!
the heck did that happen?
It's so cold! Look at it!
What the?
It's cold, I need to hug it. Oh. So, we have to put him in
Wait a minute.
Our cake is alive! He's so cold.
How did that work?
So,
What the-
he just got out
Was
of...
that supposed to happen?
I think. He was cold because it was -10 degrees in there. Oh, he's so cute.
Hold on. We put that cake mold in there and closed it for 20 seconds. And what came out? This thing?
Yeah,
How
it was shivering
did that
like it was
work?
so cold.
I thought it was gonna be different. I thought it was gonna be orange dog.
Well, all right. Well, that was a surprise. I did not expect that at all.
Same.
Look at this.
So what do we think about these toys, guys?
I definitely recommend this. It's so cute. It has
You can use whatever you want.
So even without following the instructions, you still got this cute little pet that came out of there.
It's like
cake.
an Oreo.
It's a
The
cake.
top is like
Smells
Oreo.
exciting. I think we can do this again. I'm not sure. Okay, everybody. If you are looking for toys, I think this is a good one. If you like cute and cuddly stuff. But also, I'm still talking. But also, we are. This one is like you have to follow instructions carefully because they don't explain it so much. but I definitely do recommend it. It's so cute. It came out of this and I was shivering.
What about you, Jakey?
I recommend you to get this if you like MrBeast and if you like micro action figures.
So you would recommend it then?
Yeah, I would.
Great. Perfect.
Thank you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Where to next time?
He's singing too. Don't eat him. Okay, guys, we figured out what we did wrong. So we were supposed to use this cup provided. So whenever you're doing this, you guys have to use this instead. But he still came out perfect. So we want you guys to use this provided cup, not from your kitchen, okay? Because that's what we did wrong.
Yeah, we added way too
But
much
if you
water.
guys ever do it, you can use a Play-Doh or a clay. Oh yeah, like wheat. Yeah.
Alright, so we figured it out. Great job, guys.
Wait. Also, you can redo this a lot. So we're gonna
Again and again.
look. You can put him in. Make sure his toes are tucked in so they don't show. Boop. Look at that.
Oh, spoiler alert. That's how it
then-
works.
He's so cold, so we're gonna wrap him in a little blanket.
Very cool. Alright, thanks for letting us know, right, guys?
Bye, guys.
We figured it out. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. Where to next time?